Hey, Mike, did y'all not buy that? Did y'all not buy that?
We thought it was
We always do.
What is that box say?
There was a dead person in that box.
Is there?
Who taped up with you?
It says cremated remains. From now on, you cannot take the box.
Yeah. Yeah, okay.
Brittany, tell us.
She'll write, she'll write a contract up.
Or sit on my lap, one of the two.
It's a nice looking area.
Oh my gosh, somebody really took time to do this. Okay, here's the tweezers.
I just found them on the floor, so.
All that for a pack of diapers?
If they're threes or fours, I'll take them. I actually need them. I'll just cut you a check for this, honestly.
Is this number 2 or 3?
That's a messed up
What'd you
gift.
get?
That's a
An urn.
Open it!
Open it!
He said,
We're shook by that.
I was just thinking on the way here.
Did you do this?
Cremated and stuff.
You're a sick motherfucker, bro. Dude, you're crazy.
It's a free burial notice.
Lottery?
But you got a free plaque.
Dude, you're demented, dude. I never would have thought. You're like serial killer, man, dude. You're wild. They're gonna do like a Netflix documentary on you, man. It came out of Fire Fits.
Probate Bob.
Is it engraved?
Or what?
yeah.
Does anybody want to steal my I'm just kidding out loud. Travis, you got lottery tickets.
Sick.
And I should tell you.